Hi guys, this is Latvian Day Trader. Today is May 17 and I'm down 50 bucks. I actually did trade yesterday, but I'm too embarrassed to post that video because I failed quite miserably at yesterday. So what do you have today? So I was watching DCIX, or this is very decent pattern on a 5-minute and really great on a 1-minute. So the daily charts resistance, there's the space to move. So I'm watching it over 194. So the market opens, and I really like this thing that when it dips down a bit, so the first candle dips down a bit. So it's not the sharp drop like red to green move, but it's like continues to consolidate. So let's see. So I'm watching it over 194. So I see a lot of buyers. So as you saw, there was a big resistance, like 10,000 shares at 195, I think. So you'll see that the big seller again, but this time he will be brought up. So that's like shows the strength. So any minute now, see there's a big activity in here. So you see that on 1 minute it curls up. It wants to go over the pre-market high. So here you see the big seller sitting on a 195. So I'm watching as the volume comes in, and the seller, there's a 20,000 seller on Nasdaq wrote, and on Ajax there's a 10,000. So 30,000 shares of selling. See here, it's already gone. So big buyers got brought up that seller, and prices started to move. So I got in at 193. The price spiked up on ask. I'm already 10 cents up, but in a bid, not that much. So I did sell 75% of my shares because it squeezed up and pulled back. So I sold it and put the rest of the break even, and it just came back down. So the thing I learned today, as I said, I need to change my game because I'm starting to get a big losses. Going away from what I learned, like right entries and those things. So I will now in the next two trades I will lose actually, and that's because I think I'm watching on a 1 minute, and in a 1 minute there's a lot of false breakouts occurring when I trade. So from tomorrow I will concentrate, I will focus only on 5-minute patterns. So if I will take only one trade because of 5-minute pattern, then I will do that. So right here I was watching over 95. Yeah, I was watching over 95 or over the $2, and it just came back down. I didn't wait for it to excuse me, to go down my 10 cents. I dropped out, I think, a bit faster, like 6 cents. I was out, and then again, okay, I'm out of the trade, as you can see here. And again, I'm watching over this candle to break, I think 199 again, 1 minute. So the 1 minute patterns aren't working for me that well. So I will evade these. I will only concentrate on 5 minute setups. They are moving slower, and that's just more comfortable for me as a beginner. So again, I'm watching over 199. So basically it looks good because the sellers, the buyers are going through. It looks good as till the moment you buy, then it just stops. So here I brought it. I really should wait for the 10,000 share seller. And yeah, it stayed up here for a little bit at the break-even price, but eventually it started to go down and I was out. So for now I was only watching 5 minute setups, as you can see. So I'll wait for this candle to close. I will actually wait for this to close because there's a really big room. I need my better entry, so when this closes I will look forward to that. Okay, here you see the big sellers. So 185 is the spot that I wanted to break, but as you can see it just stops 185 and goes back down. So we do that a couple of times. Okay, now it's basically 183. The big seller moves, and then I'm looking at the BLNK. So this is a nice reversal pattern. So there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles on a 5 minute. That's really extended. I continue to watch the DCIX. You can see it just doesn't move over 185. Yeah, and then it just go down. So as I'm seeing BLNK, so that's for me is a fresh 5 minute breakout, 25 cents. It's tapping the VWAP, and I'm thinking, okay, I will wait for 5 minutes setup on this one. So look what happens. Okay, I'm really hoping for this to move. So DCIX, it just fakes, I think, fakes some people out. So I'm watching the 5 minute setup, and then eventually I give up. So as you can see, there's a 11 a.m. So in a Latvian time, that's 6 p.m. So in one day I said that I really need to trade till 6 p.m. and look at this. So I was watching it until the next candle. Yeah, saw it. I was watching here. See, here's the false breakout. I think I would probably go into this and it would stop me out, but look what happens till the 11 o'clock. Okay. It's like 10:55. I was out of my day at 10:30, 10:35. So you can see 15 minutes more, and this happens, and the 65 cents happens. So yeah, the 5 minutes is definitely more better for me. It's more slow moving, slower moving and it's lower risk entries for me. So yeah, I'm down 50 bucks, but that's really in my comfort zone to lose 50 bucks. So not more, but 50 is my limit. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.